Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel Behind the CG. First of all, I want to say sorry for not uploading any tutorial for the past 2 months. I really appreciate your patience and support. Today I'm back with something super important, lighting in Blender for product visualization. In this tutorial, I will show you how the right lighting setup can completely transform your renders from flat to realistic and professional looking. Let's dive in. So here we are inside Blender. This is the model I created inside Blender completely from scratch, and I painted this in Substance Painter. You can see the texture and the material for this product. I just did this inside Substance Painter. So to start adding lights in this scene, I just split the screen into half where you can see the camera view here. This will be our I think I just at a depth of field. I will remove this depth of field so you can see it clearly. Now you can see a little light because this is not completely dark. It is because of the HDRI. I just use this HDRI. If I can show you this one, I will just disable the HDRI or keep it 0.2 or maybe 0.1 as you like. You can turn this off or just you can remove the HDRI if you want, but I will keep it at 0.2. I will add a floor. Here it will be our floor. The material for this will be something completely black, and I will keep the roughness to around 0.1 to make it a little shiny. Here you can see. For now you can't see anything. It's just because we don't have any lights. Now I will add a background to fill this area. You can of course scale this up to fill this area, but I won't do this because I will add another plane, rotate it at 90, and just move this on the y-axis and scale this up to fill this area. And now I will give this a material completely dark, like black. The reference should be maybe 1 and the specular to 0. I did this because just so we don't have any light coming from the back. This you can say this will work as a diffuser, and also at the same time this will fill this background area. So this is how I set up this scene. Now I will add our first light, which will be the backlight. I will just rotate it at 90, scale this up, and from the top you will just move this somewhere there. And now the value should be like 5,000. You can of course play with the values. This value may change according to the scene. Now it's just the lighting. You can see we have these beautiful reflections over it, and on these edges as well. Now I will just keep this on an angle where we get this beautiful gradient effect. I think this and this position is good. So now we'll just move this here. Now we're seeing this, so we will just move this away from the camera so we don't get any glare. I don't know why, but it's not moving. Okay, so we'll just move this. I think this is fine. This looks good now. Okay, so now I will add another area light which will work as a main light. This will be our main light. Now if I can turn this off, you will see the effect of this light clearly. Now scale this up and move this over here. I think here, and change the value to maybe 8,000. No, it's too much. 5,000. I think 7,000 will be great. And I will make this big so we get soft lighting here. I will rotate this a little and move this somewhere here so we get a soft lighting coming from this side to this, and this will create a soft gradient over the product. I think this position is okay. Yeah, this position is okay. So we have now two lights. I will rename it. This will be our main light, and this will be, you can say, a backlight, or I will name it back. Now our scene looks like this. This is not yet done. It looks beautiful at the moment, but I will add another light for the top, and one for this, you can say a fill light, or I will add just a reflector to fill these areas under the shadows, like this one. We don't see anything right here. For this, I will just add a plane, spell this, and we'll give this material. I will name this reflector. Okay. I think we have another material similar to this, so this comes like this. Okay. I'll make it completely white. I will make this the roughness to 0 to make it more shiny. Yeah. Now rotate this and keep this somewhere off the camera, like this. Okay. Stir this up. Now you can see these areas now appear as bright as we want. If I just disable this, let me rename it first. If I disable this, you can see there are shadows, and if we enable this reflector, the shadows are gone, and we have a decent lighting over here to fill the shadows. So this is how I created the scene. Now I will add another light which will lit on the top areas, like the edges, these areas. For this, we'll need to add another light, but for this, I will just, what is that for? Okay, this is our background. Okay, name it background, and move this to the scene so we don't have any confusion about it. Now, to add a top light, I will just disable these lights so we, okay, I think this is our floor. I will name it floor and just move this to the scene collection. This is our reflector. Okay, I will just disable this. Now to add a top light, go to the light, go to the light, add an area light, and I will just turn this area light to maybe from area the shape from square to disc, and scale this up. Now for the power, we will just keep this to 3000, and I'll just scale this like this. Okay, now move and rotate this like this. Now you can see we have now reflections on the top. Move this to the back. I think this will work. I think we should keep this somewhere so we get some reflection over here as well. Now scale this up, I think, and move this to the top. Okay. Somewhere like this. Okay, I will just change the value to 4000. Maybe scale this down a little, and I think this looks good now. So now I will turn all the lights one by one to see how the overall setup looks like. So first of all, the main light. This is our main light. You can see this lit up the overall scene. Then the backlight, which will create some nice and decent highlights over these edges. And at the end, I'll just enable the reflector, which you can use an area light as well here to fill the shadows like this. Let me show you. I think this looks fine. This looks really great. Now this will be our fill. This will be our fill light. Or you can just simply add a white blend as I did before to fill the areas under the shadows. Now, this is the overall setup I just did. Okay, so this was the overall scene I just did. If you have any question or if you have any request or want more tutorials about lighting like this, you can ask me in the comment section. Thanks for watching.